Hello, my wonderful people. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. And I greet you according to your time. I'm here again, Mama V True Was TV. I want to bring another good advice again. Yeah. If today is the first time you are coming across my video, please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell should in case anytime I upload any new content you will be the first person that will receive it, and also share my video as well. Give me thumbs up my video, give me thumbs up, press thumbs up for Mama, give me thumbs up, and also share my video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please don't hesitate to subscribe for Mama, subscribe for Mama Virtuous TV, and turn on your notification bell. So I'm here again. I want to talk about the single man that is searching for a life partner. I want to talk about our single man that is searching for a good wife to marry. Single man that is searching for a wife to marry, not just a wife, a good woman that will make a good wife, will make a good mother. It will be the mother of your children, unborn children, and it will still be your mother as well. That is the kind of wife we want to talk about today. Please. So if you are out there, you are a single man, you want to have a wife, you want to have a life partner, a woman that will be your children and also be your mother as well. You search for a good one, not just a wife, but at least a good one, a woman that will make your home good, a woman that will not nag, a woman that know how to plan with a husband, a woman that know how to take care of her home, a woman that know how to take care of his children when he started giving birth to children, a woman that also know that this is my husband now, I got to plan with my husband so that things can work fine. In future, everything will be fine. A woman who know the respect of a husband, who know this is my husband, this is the respect I will give to my husband. A woman who will know that my husband is going to work. Before my husband come back from work, he need to eat something on his belly, because maybe when he left work, some people start work 7, 8 o'clock. In anywhere you are working as a man, maybe you left home around 6 o'clock or 6:30, coming back by 2 o'clock or 1:30. You're supposed to meet food at home, or coming back home 3 o'clock, depending on how many hours you work as a man. You need a woman that will be there for you as your mother. Like when you have children now, they go to school. Before they come back from school, you know that children, when they come back from school, they got to eat. The same thing to our husband or your husband. When the man leave the home to the work, before we come back, you have to prepare a meal to wait to your husband. A woman who know how to clean his house, not just to be a housewife alone. A woman who know how to clean her house, to make everything clean, to keep the house in order, so that when the visitor come, everything will be fine. A man who will, a woman, sorry, a woman that will clean the house, to put the house clean. A woman, a wife that will clean house, to make everywhere clean, to the care when visitor come, because sometimes we don't know when we are expecting visitor. Your husband might be coming back from work, he will see his friend, he will just want to play along with him. He will come home, the whole home is messed up. No, we don't need such woman for a wife. So men, you wash out, not just because of, not only for beauty alone, not only because of woman beauty alone that you make that woman your wife. No, it have to be beauty outside and still beauty inside. Yeah, and the beauty of a woman inside is more important than the beauty of a woman outside. A woman is beauty outside. You don't know how to cook good meal for husband, you don't know how to cook good food for children, you don't know how to wash husband clothes. It's not all clothes you take to dry cleaner. It's not all clothes you take to laundry, and it's not also all clothes you put in washing machine. There are some clothes you will buy, then we write manual, which is a hand washing cloth, not with machine. A woman who know how to wash clothes for husband and also know how to cook good food for husband, that is the kind of woman you will know. Before you get into any relationship with any woman, before you get married to any woman, and you mate, because you are a single man for years, you want to settle down, you got to check all those things I'm naming here on the life of that woman. I know all of them cannot just be complete. If you have met a woman, if she can cook very well, that make her a good wife. Yes, because they say through a man's heart that, I don't know how to put that parable. Through a good food is the one that go to my heart. Through the my heart, you will steal the love from the man. I don't know. I forget the parable. Pardon me, my people. So a woman can cook a good meal for husband. Even when you are outside with your friend, everybody's in the fast food, they want to eat. You will say no. You will be remember that food that your wife will cook and wait for you at home, that you want to go and eat your wife food. A woman who know how to arrange her house well, a woman who know how to bathe his children and dress them proper, a woman who know how to respect a husband family, not only her family, a woman who know how to respect the husband family, and a woman who also know how to accommodate husband family. That is the type of woman you will hunt for. If you marry a woman, you see a woman, you haven't married her, you will try to see all those character from her, because you cannot hide it for God. You can't hide it for so long. Any character that is not good in a woman body, you cannot hide it for so long. You will try and just see the kind of character this woman have before you go into marriage to that woman, so that when you get married, you will not divorce this wife, because it's easy. It's easy to marry and bring a wife home. Sometimes before things can lead to divorce, so, this woman, no, I don't know, you are so dirty like this, I will not keep on moving. Divorce can come. Oh, I don't know, you don't know how to cook good food. How can I marry a wife, she cannot cook for me? That one also, it will lead for the man to be go and looking outside, to be go and maybe go to fast food every time buying food, and it's not a thing you can do forever. So you as a single man there, you want to look for a wife to marry, please try and look for a woman, a wife material. It's not all woman that is outside there that they can be beautiful outside, inside of them is so ugly. They cannot know how to go cook food, they don't know how to respect their elder, they don't know how to welcome their mother-in-law into home, they don't even know how to welcome their father-in-law, even their husband siblings into home. Such woman doesn't make a good wife. Any woman that can accommodate any of your members, any of your families, any of your relation, your mother, your father, any woman who can respect them the way respect you as a husband, that is the kind of woman you will go for. You will see some women, they don't want any of their husband relation to come close to that marriage. Such woman, they are not a good woman. They are not a good woman that will make a good wife. Please, my single men out there, before you go into marriage, into any relationship that will lead to marriage, it's not only beauty. I know beauty is also there, but you will look in and out. If, okay, this lady, she's beautiful outside, inside the heart, is she beautiful? You look, is it really what you need to go for? Because marriage is not just like a bus stop, when you a motor park when you will load car and just move, go and drop passenger. No, marriage is better for us. Marriage is till death do us pass. So brothers, I'm telling you people today, if you want to get married, so that you will not regret, being married to that woman, you watch out, so that you might be lucky, without even friendly for 1 month or 2 months, you get married, it will be a good wife for you. You can be lucky, but it's not every day that the luck will come. It's not every day that you will have a such luck. So that is why you have to watch very well. If really you want to go into this relationship, you want to marry this woman as my wife, because I have seen some cases, then we date first and watch the character along the line. When the character doesn't suit both of them, they will depart in their separate way. Sometimes you will meet a woman, you don't even date her, you don't even know her from Adam, but God said this is your wife. When you click together as husband and wife, it will be fine. It will be fine. Like me, I think I upload my life story, how my husband brother saved my marriage. I told you people, I never date my husband for even 1 month before I got pregnant my first daughter. I never. We just met ourselves. He made me say, this woman, I just love her. Maybe love in first sight, because maybe the beauty, let me say so, because 16 years ago is not 13 years. Maybe beauty, this woman, she's beautiful, but she never know in my heart how I is. But because of my beauty carried away, we got married. But to God be the glory. Everything worked fine. Since we are counting the 17 years now since we got married. So glory be to God. Sometimes it's not what you think. It could favor you, but sometimes it may not favor you. So before you get into marriage that you will be regretting, no, oh, why did I marry this woman? This is not the woman I'm supposed to marry. It was the other one supposed to marry because of the beauty of this Janet. That is why I go into this marriage. Look at that. She's not like Maggie, or she's not like this one. So please, man, amen, our men, before you get into marriage, a marriage is not a thing that you just go, you just throw it away. No, no. Marriage is supposed to be better for worse till death do us pass. If you are going into any marriage, watch the lady very well. Look if this one can be your really wife. Look if he can respect you. Look if he can cook a good food. If she can cook a good food, particularly a good food. You cannot marry a wife in the house, she don't know how to cook good food. That one is totally wrong. Yes, food is important for a woman life to know how to cook. If you can cook a good meal for you, no problem, it's good to go. Not only beautiful, or she's beauty, let me just marry her because of her beauty. When you marry a woman because of her beauty, when other things start pumping up, you will be the one to be regretting. You will be regretting on that marriage. You will be murmuring. You will be regretting. Why did I even marry this woman the first time? And oh, beauty, it's just the beauty I carried away because of her beauty. No, we need to think twice. We need to check proper if really this is the kind of woman I want to be my mother, my children, the mother of my children. Please, brothers, this advice is for you. It's still vice versa. For the women own, I will still come to talk about the women own. But this one is just for the men. So please, our men, try, look very well, check very well, examine, look if this is the wife I will spend the rest of my life with. Because marriage is not a marriage you will just marry under 1 year or 5 years you will divorce. Marriage is a thing of lifetime. Marriage is better for worst. Yes, it's better for worst. Please, my brothers, if you want to get into relationship, into marriage, all the single men out there, you want to get into marriage, look the kind of woman you want to get married to. And also, you will still check if it's a woman, if maybe the man is not there for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, if he can keep herself as well. Because some women, they don't know how to keep themselves. Immediately that 1 year pass, they don't see their man around there, they will start fornicating. Try to look for another person who will be satisfied there, of which is bad in the marriage. Of which is bad in the marriage, because fornication is a sin. That is the only way the Bible condemn. That is the only way the Bible supports divorce. Because say when the man cheat on you or you cheat on your wife, that is only where the Bible supports divorce. Please, if you don't want to account all those things I'm naming now, you have to check very well before you get married to anybody you want to marry to. Don't just carry away because of a woman beauty. Don't be carried away because of a woman beauty. I know a beauty is also good, but you have to check proper if the way she's beauty outside, inside her, she's also beauty. If she's beauty inside her and outside, it's good to go. Especially how to prepare a good food for husband. Number 2, how to clean house. How to clean house, arrange your house for your husband. Keep your house neat. Not when your husband is coming from outside, you don't know that he's coming with somebody. When he came into the city room, everywhere is messed up. Such woman, no, it's not good. So if you are dating such woman now, then you don't know how to arrange house, he cannot cook good meal. If you want to teach her, you can also, if she's willing to learn. If you want to teach her all those things, if the woman is willing to learn, you can also teach her so that she will know she have to arrange her home in time. Without her husband will not start chatting or quarreling because you didn't clean the house. And also, if you know she don't cook good meal, and you also, because some men cook more than some women. Yes, some men cook more than some women. If you know also you can cook very well and you love this woman, but she cannot cook very well, you can also teach her how to cook if she's ready to learn as well, because you can force the horse to the river, you cannot force him to drink water. If the woman also ready to learn how to cook through you, you can also learn her because you love her. So this is what I want to bring to you people awareness today. Next time I will still talk about men, because now I talk about our men who want to get settled down for a woman. So next time I will talk about our women who want to also settle down for a man, the kind of man they want. You cannot say because you are desperate you pick anyone along the road. No, please, let us be vigilant, let us be calculating, let us learn ourselves, or study ourselves before we get into marriage, so that we will not be getting a broken home later, because broken home is doesn't good for our children. I said it before in my previous video. Broken home is not good for our children. We got to learn each other earlier stage, so that we will start having babies, we will stay together and take care of our children. We will stay together and take care of our children. Our children will have the love of their mother. They will also have the love of their father together. So this is what I want to bring to you people awareness today. So I have to stop the video here because I don't want the video to be too long. Thank you very much, my listener. God bless you as you listen to this video. And also share this video. Share it to all the platform, your social media platform you add for. You can share it on your Facebook, so that other people can partake from this story I just narrate. You can also share it in your Instagram, anywhere. Share this video so that people can watch and also listen and learn. Thank you very much. God bless you. If it's the first time you are coming across my video, you haven't subscribed, brother and sister, subscribe. Subscribe for Mama V. Subscribe for Mama V through Words TV, so that anytime I bring ogbonge news come, e go be the first person wey alert go reach the phone. Please make una subscribe for me, and also turn on your notification bell should in case anytime I upload any new content. So anything you think for this video, make you write down in the comment section, so that we all can also learn. Anything you think of this video, you leave it on the comment section. And if you also have any idea, any video idea you want me to talk about, you can also leave it in the comment section. I will still talk about here and upload it. People can also listen and learn. Thank you very much, my listener. God bless you all. And follow me on my Instagram, Mama V through Words TV. Follow me on my Facebook page, Mama V through Words TV. Thank you very much. God bless you again. We'll see you again in my next broadcast. Bye bye. Choose.